Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from the Coinbase to the bank account. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the portfolio option right here. Then here you can find the option of transfer. Simply tap on it. After that, here you can find the option of withdraw to bank. Now here is the thing, if it is available on your region, you can simply withdraw from your bank. But if it is not available on your region or your location, you cannot withdraw from bank on the Coinbase app. So that's it. This is how you can withdraw from Coinbase to the bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.